Hi, welcome to Mary's Math Club. Could you see the picture? Yes, it is one wonder among the 7 wonders in the world, Pisa Tower. And Pisa Tower is in Rome. And today we will learn their numeric system, means Roman numeric system. Roman numeric system actually based upon 7 alphabet characters. All the numbers are expressing through these 7 characters or symbols or numeric symbols. These are I. I stands for 1. Next V, that is stands for 5. V. Next 10, which is expressed in Roman numeric by X, through X. Next L. L stands for 50. L, capital L. It stands for 50. And then C. C stands for 100. 100. C stands for 100. And M, this stands for 1000. 1000. So these are the 7 characters. I means 1. V means 5. X means 10. L means 50. C means 100. And M means 1000. Before that, we will discuss the rules for writing Roman numbers. Rules of writing numbers in Roman number system. V, L, D. These 3 numerals are never repeated or subtracted from any other numeral. Number 2. The numerals I, X, C, M, which can be repeated, are maximum up to 3 times, not more than it. Number 3. 0 does not have its own Roman numerals. Number 4. The numerals are repeated means they will be added linearly. Example, XXX is equal to X plus X plus X, or CC is equal to C plus C. If the numerals are placed next to each other, means they will be added linearly. Like MXV is equal to M plus X plus V. Number 5. If the numeral just on the left side of the other numeral is smaller, then the smaller numeral will be subtracted from the bigger one. Example, XC is equal to C minus X, or minus X plus C, both are same. If the numerals just on the right side of the other numeral is smaller, then the numerals are added up. Like here CXVI. Here X is smaller than C, V is smaller than X, I is smaller than V. And that's why it will add up only. Just like CXVI is equal to C plus X plus V plus I. Number 6. Very important fact is that I can only be subtracted from V and X, not other numerals. Like IV is equal to V minus I, or IX is equal to X minus I. Number 7. numerals x can be subtracted from L and C only, not other numerals. Like XL is equal to L minus X and XC is equal to C minus X. Number 8. Numeral C can be subtracted from D and M only, not other numerals. Cm is equal to M minus C or CD is equal to D minus C. We are writing the number from 1 to 10 first. So 1 we already know. 1 means I. What is 2 stands for? 2 is equal to, 2 has no own numeral in Roman numeric system. So it is 1 plus 1, that means 1 plus 1, that is I plus I. That means we will write I, 2I. Number 3. 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1. So it will give us 3. I plus I plus I means I. 3I. But in the case of 4, we can't write this 4I because maximum, according to the rule, maximum 3 times we can repeat any numerals. So in the case of 4, we will write 5 minus 1. 5 is B, minus 1 means I, and as the sign is minus, so this smaller number will go to the left side of this bigger number. So the smaller number will go to the left side of this bigger number. So it will be IV. And here we won't write any minus sign. So it will be IV for 4. 5 already we know, that is V. Here 5 already we know is simply V. It has own numeral. Has no own numeral, so it will be 5 plus 1. That means B plus I. B plus I. That is VI. Because plus sign will remove, just will write as it is VI without plus sign. Now 7. 7 is 5 plus 1 plus 1. Because it has also no own numeral, that's why we are writing like this way. And 5 is equal to V plus 1 means I. As it is, this plus sign we will remove and we will write simply VII. In the case of 8, 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to V plus I plus I plus I is equal to V I means 3I. After V there is 3I. This is number 8. Now for 9 we can't write this way because here we have already repeated I 3 times and there is a restriction that after 3 times we can't use the I or the repeated number I, C or X. So here we will write it as 10 minus 1. So here 9 is equal to, we will write 10 minus 1. That means 10 has own numeral, that is X, and minus 1 has own numeral, that is I. But as it is minus sign, so we have to write this I, means the smaller number here among these two. The smaller number will write in the left side of the bigger number. That is, I will go to the left side of the x, and after this operation we won't write here any minus or plus sign. Just it will be like this, I x. This is 9. And 10, as usual we know already, the 10 has its own numerals, so no problem at all. 10 is equal to x. We have not to do anything more because 10 has its own numeral. 11 is equal to 10 plus 1 is equal to x plus I is equal to xi. 12 is equal to 10 plus 2 is equal to x plus I is equal to xii. 13 is equal to 10 plus 3 is equal to x plus I is equal to xiii. 14 is equal to 10 plus 4 is equal to x plus iv is equal to xiv. 15 is equal to 10 plus 5 is equal to x plus v is equal to xv. 16 is equal to 10 plus 6 is equal to x plus vi is equal to xvi. 17 is equal to 10 plus 7 is equal to x plus vii is equal to xvii. 18 is equal to 10 plus 8 is equal to x plus vii is equal to xvii. 19 is equal to 10 plus 9 is equal to x plus ix is equal to xix. 20 is equal to 10 plus 10 is equal to x plus x is equal to xx. This is up to 20, but after 20, when the big number will come, how we will do? Right now, we will do that. Now, we will apply all the rule in the number writing. Example number 1. The number is 499. Now, how we will write it in Roman numeral? To do it, first we will split the number into 1000 base, 100 base, 10 base and unit. So here 499 or 499, we can write it as a 400 plus 90 plus 9. We can write it easily. Now question is 400. 400 means 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100. But we know that we can't repeat more than 3 times. That means if we write c plus c plus c, but we can write up to 3 times, not more than 3 times. So that is not applicable here. And then we have to see the next bigger number of 400. That is 500, means D. So 500 minus 100 is equal to 400. So here 500, we are writing 500 minus 100. That will also gives us 400. And next number is plus 90. Similar way, L is 50 and after that 10 plus 10 plus 10, only 3 times you can go. So it will be then 80, not 90. So we can't apply it. So the next nearest number is C, it's 100. So 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. Then we are writing 100 minus 10, that is equal to 90. Plus 9. 9 is also actually in that format, but already we have seen how to write 9. That's why I am not writing here. So 500, instead of 500 we will write D minus C instead of 100 plus 100 means C again and minus 10 means X plus 9 means we know I X. In fact, that is also X minus I. That's why we can write I X. So now It is D minus C. Look at here. The sign is minus. So this number, this smaller number, we will write on the left of this bigger number. So this smaller number we will write on the left side of the bigger number. And this sign we will going to write. And we have not to give the minus sign. So then we will write C. It's coming to the left of the D. D. C D. D minus C means C D. Plus in this case it will be same. Just like X C. X will come to the left side of the number, bigger number. X C plus IX. Right? So now everything is plus here. So just removing the plus sign, we will write the whole. Just removing the plus sign, we will write the whole. But if it was minus, then it was different. So it will be now right now CD X C I X. So the number will be C D X C I X. Next example is 685. Number 685. As usual, we will split it again into 600 plus 80 plus 5. 600 plus 80 plus 5. Now 600, there is no own numeral for 600. So if we add 500 plus 100, that means we will get 600. So 500 plus 100 plus 80. 80 means there is no own numeral. For 80 we will write 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. We can go up to 3 times, so there is no problem. So 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5. 5 has its own numeral, that is V. So we are writing V here. Now instead of 500 we can write D. Instead of 100 we can write C. So D, it is D plus C. Plus 50. So we can write L. L is the own numeral for 50. Plus 10 plus X plus X plus X plus V. And now D plus C, plus everything is plus. So there is no problem at all. We will just remove the plus sign and just write after whatever it is here. So no problem, not that we have to take anything on the left. So it will be just D plus sign will remove, C plus sign remove, L plus sign remove, X. So X plus V, so V. So D, C, L, X, V. It's a long number. Okay. So it is 685. Next example is 923. Now we will write this numeral into Roman numeric system. So we are splitting 900 plus 20 plus 3. And now 900 means 500 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100. So 4 times 100. It's not possible to write because 3 times is the maximum limit. So what we will do? Again, we will subtract 100 from 1000. Then we will get 900. And we know 1000 has its own numeral, that is m. So we are writing m minus 100 means c plus 20 means 10 plus 10. So it is x plus x. And plus 3 means we already know 3i. Very simple. Now m minus c, it is minus. Minus means you will have to write this numeral on the left side of the bigger numeral. So here bigger numeral is m. So we are writing this c on the left side of the bigger numeral m, that is c m, and we are not writing minus sign right now, because whatever the minus sign, what we did it, plus x means x plus I, that is giving us c m plus sign removing x plus sign removing I. So this is the Roman numeric for the Indo-Arabic or modern days number 923. And this year is, what is this year? This year is 2020. How we will write it in Roman numeric? Let's see. Now we will write the current year in Roman numeric. 2020. That means we have to first split the number 2000. That means plus 20. And this 2000 we will split into 1000 plus 1000. 1000 plus 1000 plus 10 plus 10. Already we know it. So it gives us m plus m plus 10 plus 10 means x plus x, and there is no minus sign, so just we will remove the sign and write it. That's all. It will give us x. Current year 2020 x. Okay, so now we will say x. We are in the year x. Hope all of you like this Roman numeric system. Me too, because I means 1. Good thing. Like, share and subscribe Mary's Math Club.